Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I'm an investor and here for informative and educational purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research to determine if any given investment platform is for you. Please note there are no promises of fixed returns or guarantees of income when you invest, so do so at your own discretion and only do it in amounts that you are willing to possibly lose. I don't recommend investing any amount of money that you aren't comfortable with losing. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very quick. I just want to show you how to remove the Fintoch app from the iPhone and re-add the newest version, which is going to be version 3.0.9, and you're going to be adding the newest version to your iPhone. Okay, let's get started. First things first, you're going to start off in the settings, then you're going to go to General, then you're going to scroll down to VPN and Device Management. You're going to tap on Fintoch and then tap Remove. Put in your password, tap Remove Management, and go ahead and remove it, and then it will disappear from here. Next, you're going to go to your Safari browser and make sure you are in Safari and not in Google Chrome. From here, you can download in two spots. You can click download right here, or you can scroll down to the bottom and click on App Store. So we're just going to click on download, and then it's going to give you a new window. You're going to click on iOS signature. It'll give you a new pop-up. And here you're going to tap download. Next, you'll tap install, and then the app should start installing on your home page. So go out of here and go back to your home page, and it should start downloading here. Just wait for it to finish before you do anything else. So once it's done, go back to your Safari browser, and you're going to tap on Trust Developer. Then you're going to tap Allow, and then you're going to tap right here where it says Shanghai Rule Commercial, and then you're going to tap Trust. At the top, Trust again, and that's it. You're all done. So if you go out of here and go back to your home page, and then let's click on the Fintoch app and open up and just show you that it's working, and then you know what to do from here. You go ahead and enter your wallet information, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video and found it extremely helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Also, be sure to tap the little bell below so that you're always notified anytime I post new videos.